Hello everyone, Recharger here, and welcome to a 118 scale video. In today's video, we have the Auto World, the Dukes of Hazzard, Happy Birthday General Lee, the 1969 Dodge Charger. If you're wondering why it's black because in the old series, I haven't seen the old series, but I know that in the old series, before it became the General Lee in this orange, it was black. And I think it was called the Black Betty at that time. But I think there might be a story in the back or something. Let's see. Accurate blah blah blah. No, that's. The Dukes of Hazzard television series celebrates the good old USA. So get ready for action. Hazard County style. This Diecast replica is from the first episode of season 7. Happy birthday, General Lee. On the 8th birthday of the General Lee, the Dukes and could resent the Charger's origins as a getaway car for a pair of gold dust thieves, a junkyard heap, and a potential race car for the Duke boys all before the iconic paint job. Oh, okay, that's how it's called. Yeah. Our world replicates the 1969 Dodge Charger as seen in this origin story, supporting the solid black paint job and basic steel wheels, just like the original setup of the car, as owned by the Gold Dust Thieves. This highly accurate Charger has details specific to this version of the car, making this the Happy Birthday General Lee replica that all Duke of Hazzard fans have been waiting for. So that's the story about this one. So there was I have read that. I just totally forgot about it. But like I said, I knew this was like before it became the General Lee. This is what it was. Okay. Enough of that. Let's get it out. And I actually forgot from which side I had opened it already before. That looks like this side, yeah. So luckily this one will have no platform, so this means I'll just pull it out as much as I need to from the side. So I could just get the car out. So I don't have to take apart the box. There we go. There was supposed to be an antenna. Is it, maybe I put it in the trunk, I don't know, let's see. So here's the vehicle itself. It's a bit dusty, so let me just have a little quick clean. I can hear it like something bouncing around in the back, so I think it is in the trunk. Okay, give it a little quick dust off. So here's the mold itself, looking fantastic. It has these like turning around lights you can put downwards, but I don't want to really move them any more because as you can see, I have moved them quite a lot of times and it just doesn't want to stay in the position I want them to stay anymore. So I might have to actually lower these down to the opened versions because yeah, the more you move them, the more loose they get and they won't stay shut anymore, which is annoying, but that's how it is. It's a very nice black. You can see the old steely wheels, the front and the back. You can see my fingerprints everywhere on them because it's like the black color. It like really shows on the camera where you've been touching it. Here's the look on the back, looking all very nice. Let's have a check. Yeah, the antenna's in the back. See if I can get it out and put it on the car itself. It's so difficult to get out. Let's see if I can shake it out there. No, I almost did actually. Oh. There it goes. Okay. So antenna was basically for the radio. So it just plugs in the back like so, and there's your complete look of the vehicle at least. But I'm gonna remove the antenna, put it to the side so I can show you the back. So basic back, nothing too much. Let me just turn on the lights. As you can see, that's where the fuel goes down there. This is just the plastic insert. Then we got doors, as if you know that the Dukes of Hazzard, like General Lee one, you cannot open the doors because if you know the story that you know, I'm not gonna go tell you all the story if you know it, because and if you don't, just watch the movie and you'll understand, movie or series, you'll understand why. So you got the seat belts everywhere, nice brown interior. I know I have the light on, so it looks a little bit greenish, but it's not. Believe me, it's a nice brown color. Let's actually turn that off. As you can see, yeah, now I see it's nice brown. Let's close the doors. This side opens much easier than the other side. I don't know why. There's the soft material on the floor, plus there's rubber mats placed in there for your legs so you don't leave stains. And then let's go to the front. So this is also, as Outer Worlds mostly do, have very highly detailed, like these posts or something. I don't know what they're called, posts, I think, that open and close. So it's not just metal struts that go into the middle. So there's your engine, looking very detailed, very nice. As the steering wheel also works. As you can see, the steering wheel does turn, the wheels do turn. Here's the view on the bottom. So as you can see everything here like very nicely. So there's the sway bars in the front. I believe there's no sway bars on the back, since this thing has like these old-fashioned suspension, but it also has suspension, as you can see. The back ones and the front ones also do push in and out, so that is very cool. And we also have the moving drive shaft. It goes both ways, so that is very cool. So there you have it, guys. The General Lee before it became the General Lee. So basically the Black Betty. A fantastic model. I got it way back when this anniversary happened, so I got it through eBay, of course. And right now I have no idea what's the value on this, and if you can get these still or not. I have no idea. But if you can, I wish you the best luck. And also, if you liked the video, leave a like. Subscribe if you want to see more of models of this size and other sizes, scales. And yeah, that'll be that. Yeah, I have nothing more to say besides ciao.